I'm going to show you guys how to use Adobe Sites to create a website also. So if we just click onto Sites, and then here we can see that you've got like a bunch of different templates that you could use. You could use class, club, student portfolio, portfolio, event. It works in the same way that, so if we just click onto it, it works in the same way that the Wix works, but because you guys have got a Google account, you'll automatically have access to this. So here we can see at the top of our page, we've got different variations. So we've got different choices here. We can have inserts, so we can add a text box, images, embedded files, or we can have a link directly to our drive. We've also got a variation of different types of layouts. In pages, we've got the types of pages that we've got. So we always start off with our home page. If we want to add another page, subsequent page, then all we need to do is click on this little arrow plus sign down here, change the name to say bio, hit return, done, and now we have a bio page. As you can see, it automatically follows the design theme that we've got already set up. So bio, yeah, really easy to add new pages. We've also got default themes which are built in. So we've got this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, all built in automatically. If we go back to our pages, then we could see that it would then apply that theme to all of our pages that we've created, which is just kind of, you know, makes it a bit easier, right? So let's check out some of these cool features. So a text box. Text box is a box of text. So if we just click onto that, that will give us a box. We can then adjust this box. As you can see, when we start moving it around, you can see that it's got columns naturally built into it. Yeah, so that is what it's working by, and it will snap to those columns just to help us with creating a design that is nice and readable and flows well and tessellates really well together. Okay, so simple, really easy, adding a text box. We could delete that because we don't really want that. Same with images, we can decide either upload or we can select your image. Selecting, you can choose which image you want to apply, and it's the same process. Again, as I was saying previously, we've got the default layouts that we've got. So here we could add different images. These are ideal if, you know, you don't really care to get into creating design, you just want to have something that is there and you can just access it and you can create really quickly. Ideal for that. So again, back to pages. So you can see on our bio page, we don't have any of that put in because we've done all of that on our home page, which remember is our landing page. We have the option of adding things like buttons. So if we were to click on button, so if we name that button home, and then it links back just by clicking there, we could link back to the home page, insert that button, boom, right there. And if we were to go to test that page, then we click on that and that will take us right the way back to our page. So if we hit preview, home, and that will take us back to our home page. Just exit preview, see, and now we're back on the page that we left off. So let's go back to bio, back to insert. So we've got the divider, placeholder, which will just, you know, hold the place, options to search the cloud, implement a YouTube video, a map to our location. We could add documents for people to download. We could create forms as we would in Google Forms. So as we know, we've got all of these options in Google, the apps. So we've got good things like Google Forms. We can create that to get feedback for our website, excuse me. We could have collapsible text or an image carousel where the images will be rotated in kind. Very easy to use, very friendly. I would recommend, you know, having a go at that. You don't have to then sign up for the Wix. You can just create it through your login. Okay, have a go at it.